Well, we got a fun, easy little project here. We're gonna revive this old lamp and breathe some new life into it. It's gonna be amazing. But really what it's about is the 3D printed guitar build that's going on. And I wanted to paint the headstock, so we're going to test the paints here. Here's the guitar build. We'll get back to this though, we're in the middle of that. And what we wanna do is test this color shift paint here and a flat black base. So let's revive this. We'll do a little, take it apart, sand it. It's been painted already a little bit. It's not a bad looking antique lamp. I thought it might be brass, but I don't think it is. It's probably aluminum, made to look like brass. It says IKEA on the bottom. All right, let's fast forward the boring parts. We're gonna tape off some of the vital areas. After cleaning it up, it's ready for paint. Now let's go. We'll do one layer of black primer. It already looks 1,000 times better painted in primer black. Follow up with the color shift paint. And then one final layer of lacquer. Beautiful shine, beautiful color, and exceeds expectations. Looks great. This is definitely going on the headstock. Let's just turn the lights on. And now for a final touch. Boom. Bronx Bombers. What do you think? I think it looks great. I think we knocked it out the park, guys. Thanks for hanging out. Later.